Tired of spending weeks creating marketing plans that fall flat? What if you could build a comprehensive, data-driven quarterly marketing strategy in under an hour? Today, I'm going to show you how to create a very detailed quarterly marketing plan using AI. Hi, my name is Katya and I'm a co-founder and CFO of Team-GPT. Let's say I'm working with HubSpot to develop their Q3 marketing plan for their new CRM Enterprise Suite launch. I'll show you how Team-GPT helps create a strategic, data-driven plan that aligns with business objectives. First, I'll use the Prompt Builder to develop our strategic framework. The Prompt Builder is a tool that helps create more effective prompts by asking me questions about my specific needs. You can go to Tools, and there you can find the Prompt Builder. I'll describe my task. I need to develop a strategic framework for HubSpot's Q3 marketing plan focused on their CRM Enterprise Suite launch. I'm clicking Continue, and the Prompt Builder will ask me some follow-up questions. You can answer some of them or all of them, and you can just click Continue. After answering these questions, I get a custom prompt that I'll copy. You can just click on the Copy button, and I will go to my project, which is the HubSpot Q3 planning project, where I have set up some project knowledge. Let me walk you through what I've already included in our project knowledge. In project information, I've defined our planning objectives for creating a comprehensive Q3 marketing strategy. I have also included some example outputs, and for the documents, I've uploaded the HubSpot Q3 marketing brief that outlines their business context, competitive landscape, objectives, target audiences, budget allocation, and previous lessons learned. Now, I will start a new chat and paste the prompt that I have generated with the help of the Prompt Builder. The AI will generate a strategic framework for HubSpot's Q3 marketing plan. Now, I can type / and access my prompt library where I have saved several useful prompts. I will select the multi-channel marketing strategy. There you can see that you have to enter some values. I will enter HubSpot as the company name and CRM Enterprise Suite as the product. I'll click Continue. The AI will generate a comprehensive strategy. I can also follow up with this prompt. Create a tactical execution plan that breaks down the channel strategy into specific activities, deliverables, timeline, and ownership. Include key milestones and dependencies. Finally, I can turn this complete marketing plan into a page by clicking Turn to Page at the bottom. In the Pages editor, I can organize all elements of the plan into a cohesive document with clear sections for strategy, channels, tactics, timeline, and budget. You can just go to the beginning of your text and decide that you want to make the text longer. You just go there, click on it, and choose longer. I decide that this is okay, and I just replace the text in my document. Maybe you can decide that you want to make your dates bold. You can just go to the format and use the bold button. And there we have it, a comprehensive quarterly marketing plan that gives HubSpot a clear roadmap for launching their CRM Enterprise Suite and achieving their Q3 objectives. Thanks for watching.